What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you how to change your license plate bulbs to LEDs and have a brighter license plate bulb for an IS300. Stay tuned. This is how to take out your license plate bulb. First of all, first step, you're going to take this whole panel out right here, which is held on by 2 bolts underneath this cover right here. It's four 8mm bolts. There's 2 here, 1 here, and 1 here. First step, you gotta take this cover off right here. This actually unclips right here, if you can see the bracket right there. You unclip those to take this out. I actually already had this out, so yeah, there's a clip here, and one in the back, one on the side. And the next is gonna be this cover right here, and this just comes right off like that. So you have the 2 8mm bolts. It's gonna be up here, and then right here. Take those off. And the other 2 is back here. So that locking mechanism is going to come out like that. All right, so you're going to unplug these 2, one on each side, and this one. Get these clips out, press in both sides, and then push up. Once those clips are out, you're going to pull the lock off of the bolts that are on the other side. So it's just off the bolts, and then this should come off. Takes a little bit of playing around with, but should come right off. So I'm actually gonna take that panel off, and then I'm gonna wrap it. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap that panel, and then after that, I'm gonna put it back together. I'm gonna see how it turns out first, and then put it back together if it looks good. But anyways, to take these lights out, in order to get these out, it's kind of tough. You have to stick your finger in here through this little tube right here, hole area. Press on that clip from the inside of that, and then press on that clip right here, and then one side pops out as you're pulling it out, and then this side will pop out, and then you can slide it out. It's kind of weird, but just play around with it and you guys will see. Next easy step is you just turn this 90 degrees and basically it comes out. So be careful with it. It's kind of brittle. Mine broke and I'm kind of bummed about it, but whatever. But twist it 90 degrees, pull it out, and then yeah, you can replace the bulbs from there. I believe this is a 168 bulb. Yeah, I'm gonna replace it, and then I'm not gonna put everything back together. I'm gonna plug it in first, and then I'm gonna test it out and see if the lights work. And if it works, I'm gonna put everything back together. But I gotta make sure the lights actually work first. So, all right, guys. So I turned the headlights on, and it looks like they do work. So I'm gonna button everything back together. Then I'm gonna get to wrapping the panel that was over there, and yeah. Check this out. I actually did wrap the panel where the license plate light thing I don't know what the hell it's called, but it's like the license plate bracket part panel with the lock. I polished the lights so it's a lot clearer. These LED lights that are in here right now are actually just hella bright, so I don't think this is gonna be a problem, but it's gonna help a little bit. And I went ahead and just cleaned the top license plate area. So we're gonna install everything back together, is reverse, and get it going from there. So. So we finished the license plate bulb swap, and I also wrapped the panel where the carbon fiber right here, as you can see. I don't know what that's called, the license plate bracket lock panel something. But this is how it turned out. It looks super good. I'm stoked about it, and like it just makes a huge difference. I can't stop looking at the back. So let me turn this light off real quick. I'm gonna show you guys how bright the light is. It's a lot better as white. But yeah, that's it for the license plate bulb swap and wrapping that panel. So if you guys want to know how to do it, watch the video. Pretty easy. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. Like, subscribe, share. And I just want to make a quick video, so you know there'll be little quick stuff like this in the future. And peace out, guys.